totally camp out.
So let's try it. I think she's bothered by someone on her bareback.
Ready, Miss Lizzie? She says go. We don't have fun at all.
No. I think
Your horse is serious.
I think that was kind of sneaky too, you know.
It was really sneaky. I snuck up on her, and this is what I got. Oops. I still have a back.
So is she comfy?
She's very comfy. She's not sure of her saddle though.
She was looking at it like, where's my saddle?
She's a little spiny because she's growing, but
Yeah.
oh my gosh, she's so comfy.
Really?
Yes. She's like no saddle. Go the other way. She's really comfy.
Really good. Maybe you should show her bareback in the dressage ring.
Okay. I do think though on Sunday after we're all done, do you want to see it? We should totally just ride around bareback at the showgrounds.
Oh, that'd be, oh my God.
It's not going to eat you. Ready to go this way?
Here, stand right there. Put her neck straight. Trying to get a silhouette. It's a little butt high. What are you doing? Will she come to me?
Don't turn the camera off yet for the grand finale.
What's the grand? Don't you slide backwards.
I'm not going to slide backwards.
Don't. Laura, don't do. Laura, don't do it. Seriously, you're not. You're not. I don't want to get on video you breaking your leg. Oh my God.
I don't trust her at all.